Welcome to COHO. Today we're going to be talking you through how to add a property compliance document in COHO. First, you will need to click into the property that you wish to add the document to, and then go down to the relevant panel that you want to add the document. In this instance, we're going to add a gas safety certificate. Click to show the panel content, and from here click Add New Certificate. Enter a valid from date. It will automatically set the date for 1 year, but this can be changed if you want to. You can then drop a copy in of your file, add some notes and share the document with the tenants, which will make it available in their portal. You can also serve the documents via email to all existing and future tenants. From here, click Add. As you can see now, we've got a valid gas safety document. If you go to the Settings cog, you can configure how many weeks before it's due you'd like a reminder. You can also create a maintenance issue automatically at the bottom. You can save this configuration on the property that you're in, or across the whole portfolio. Another place to add a new document is in your Actions panel, if you have an action that it's come up for renewal. From the Actions panel, select View against the compliance document you wish to add, so you can easily clear the action and add your new gas safety document.
COHO.